my phone's ringing. Hello? Oh, hi, Wendy. How are you doing? Oh, I'm good. So you want to have that party tonight? Just you and me? Right, it's a study date? Okay. I'll bring the Hershey's. How about that? Alright, I'll split the Hershey's in between us. Okay, great. Can't wait to see you. Bye. Okay, so my friend Wendy's coming over, and I have this huge problem. I have this Hershey's bar, and I want to split it in between with me and Wendy. Alright, can you help me? Alright, so I'm going to open it up. Okay. Wow, this is a huge bar. Okay, so let's count how many Hershey's is in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 Hershey's bars. I wonder if I can split it with my friend. Well, let's break it and let's split it into twos. How about that? Alright. So there's one for me, one for Wendy, 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 one for me, and one for Wendy. Oh wow, it looks even out. I don't know, we might want to check and see if that's even. Okay, so let's start over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 on this side. So I have 6 for me. Let's see if we have 6 for Wendy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh look, it's perfect. 6 for me and 6 for Wendy. That'll be perfect for the party. You see, kids, counting is very important. You're going to need it in everyday life. I know for me, and going to this party, I had to have the same amount for me and the same amount for Wendy. And I know she's going to be satisfied too. Alright. Well, thank you for helping me count today. I hope you guys learned something. Alright, you have a nice day.